good. First off, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for taking time out of your day to join us. I have a very interesting presentation today, I believe. It talks about how Moldex was able to deliver some very surprising and very precise results for a customer who was being evaluated by a large medical molder. And so the title of it today is essentially using advanced simulation tools to corroborate injection molding of a high precision glass-filled medical bracket. So a little bit about myself, as Ken was mentioning, I've got over 30 years of experience in the field, both on the floor and in the engineering side. I do have mechanical and polymer engineering education, and we're currently headquartered down in Houston. Carl Olson, who was unable to join us today, he was our customer. He is the engineering and quality manager. He's got about 35 years of experience, also in mechanical and polymer education, and he works for Sinicon Plastics. So, just briefly, a little bit about Shadow. Here, what we are known for is kind of our finite element services, product development, as well as, our management and training services. So as you can see here on the screen, here's a very precise and highly nonlinear FEA that you can see of a tire rolling over a pylon. Sinicon, on the other hand, is a custom injection molder specializing in not only silicone molding, which as you can see a few examples here, as well as small component molding from 35 ton up to about 150 ton. So you can see very clearly how small the parts can be, how precise they can be, gears, threads, seals, and so on.